Figured we'd make a short video on this Ozark Trail 7.5-inch folding knife. We've unboxed, or at least reviewed, a couple of these knives, and they always come up with some type of nifty design that ends up looking pretty good. So it looks like this one has a safety, like a window breaker, and also a razor blade, like a seatbelt cutter built in. So this is even a bottle opener on the blade itself. You can see on the top side of the blade there is a little bottle opener there as well. So this is not a spring assisted knife, from what I understand. It's just a standard folding knife. So for a few dollars we got ourselves a pretty good little deal. Let me see if I can find the receipt. Here I ended up buying two pocket knives. The top price is $7.97, which is a different knife, and the MO folder is what we have here. $5.94 for this guy. So golly, $6 for this pocket knife. Mossy oak handle. It's textured, so it's got some serrations right here, kind of in the grip. Let me go ahead and rip this open real quick. Just about a full handle. I can wrap all my fingers around there, and they're pretty much covered. Still right under this ridge here, which is good. Feels nice. It is a little tight. Doesn't feel super sharp, which, I mean, I guess you get what you get. The quality of this metal, I'm sure, is not on par with some other better quality knives, but still, for the money at $6, I mean, this is a hard knife to beat. So if you need something to just toss in your pocket or take on a camping trip, I think this is a great little inexpensive option. You know, with that bottle opener, the glass breaker, and the razor blade, and of course the belt clip. It's got a nice long smooth belt clip on there, so you can stick it in those pockets. And the thickness plays a key role, so it feels pretty tight. Anywho, I'll go ahead and quit yapping. I'll leave it at that. Appreciate you guys watching this video, and please subscribe if you can, and we will see y'all on the next one. Take care.